Blue magic. Blue magic.
What's up, guys? Today we're at my godfather's house picking up the Lincoln Mark III, getting it ready to be transported up to Ventura. We're going to be working on it up there and doing a lot of custom things, and I can't wait to share what we have going on, and I'll keep you guys updated throughout the video series. Today, like I said, we're just cleaning it up, getting it rolling, making sure it's ready to go on the tow truck, and yeah, that's about it so far. So it's my dad and his Lincoln Mark III 69. Got the 460 in it. Our goal today, just clean it up, get it ready to be moved to Troy's, where we're gonna yank the motor. We're gonna take the quarters off. We're gonna basically get it going. Start getting it roadworthy. Do a small fuel injection with the Holly on it. Thinking of doing the Sniper EFI system. It's gonna be quite the project. I think we're gonna end up pulling the front clip off of it, and we're also gonna do wheels, tires, Willwood brakes, just do the whole shebang, and just kind of make it a road trip warrior type of car. Gonna repair the rust, and also we're gonna seal the top and then just keep the patina for a while and just kind of clear it just so it can save the metal. I just love the lines of this car. It's gonna be awesome. This is my truck, 68 F100. It's in the process, but it drives, it goes surfing with me. Love it. Come over and show you guys what my dad's doing.
Hey, says, can you go and see if there's another attachment, like a nozzle attachment?
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Because all I got is that brush, and that ain't gonna work. I'd probably say 20 years ago.
We had the car about 20 years, you think?
I think so.
Yeah.
Because I've been out here.
We've been back. Well, I've been back in LA for 10 years. You've been back for,
I'd say at least, yeah, somewhere between 15 and 20. So did you check all the tires?
yeah, well, we have to air up the air compressor and we'll be good.
Blue magic. Magic.